Hello and welcome to Waitrainer Plus. In this video we are going to create a menu course. Before creating a course, it is always a good idea to organize the content that you plan to use. You will want to start by collecting your menu, text, and image files that will be used and putting them into folders on your hard drive that are easy to get to. This can be a big time saver when you are creating new content in Waitrainer Plus. Please note, documents that contain images and text cannot be placed directly into Waitrainer Plus. Image files will first need to be separated from the document and then saved as JPEG files. Text can be copied and pasted into the text editor. Once you have organized your content, you will want to start out by clicking on the admin gear at the top of your browser and then selecting the Manage Courses link. Next, you will want to click on the Create New Course link. This will open up your settings for the menu course that you are creating. You will want to give it a title and a description if desired. Next, you will pick the unit in which you would like the course to be located. In this case, we will pick the menu training unit. Now we will want to make this course active, which will make this course available to be copied over to locations for training. We will need to give it a passing grade, even if we do not intend to have questions in the course. Now we should pick the positions to which we would like to make this course available. In this case, I will select the bartenders and servers. If you wanted to assign this course to your existing bartenders and servers, you could give it a due date. But you may want this course to be automatically assigned to your new bartenders and servers when they start at your restaurant. In this case, I will set this course to be due 1 week after any new bartender or server starts. Now we will want to save our settings. Now you will want to locate the new course in the menu unit and then click on the title of the course to begin adding content. This will open an empty course editing page. In Waitrainer Plus, courses are divided into topics. The first thing we will want to do is change the topic title to our first entree. We can do this by clicking Edit Topic Details. Now we can input our first menu item and click OK. Now we can add media to this topic. First, we will add some text by clicking and dragging the word text to the topic. This will open the text editor. You can reposition the editor by clicking and dragging on the Add Text bar. You can resize the editor by clicking and dragging the arrow on the bottom right-hand side of the editor. Now you can copy and paste text from an open document on the computer, or you can enter it manually. At this point, we can enter the next piece of text. In this case, it will be a menu item and a description. Next, we will add our image by clicking and dragging image to our topic. This will open an Add Image box. You will want to select Choose File and then select the file on your computer that you want to use in your topic. Once you have done this, you can choose the alignment and size of the photo to be displayed in your topic. The next text we can add is the price, whether it is vegan or vegetarian, and any possible common allergy restrictions. Now we can add a topic link. Topic links are links to topics in different courses on your Waitrainer Plus account. Topic links work great for suggesting a wine or beer pairing for a particular menu item. In this case, we are going to suggest a particular beer to go with different sandwiches. We have already created a beer course in which each beer is a different topic. To add a topic link, we can simply click and drag topic link to our topic and then give it a title, and then search for the beer that you would like to suggest. Then change the link title to whatever you'd like to be displayed. At this point, we can add questions to this topic, or we can create a review topic at the end of the course to test your users to make sure that they retain what they are learning. Now that we have created our topic, it would be a good idea to save the topic as a template to make it easier to create your next sandwich topic and create consistency throughout the course. To create a topic template, just click the Save Topic as Template link, then give it a name and a description if you like. Now when you want to create a new sandwich topic, just click the Load Topic from Template link, select the template that is needed, and then give it the name of your new sandwich, and then click OK. Now we will select the new topic and edit each piece of media to reflect the new sandwich. Once you have finished creating your course and are ready for your new employees to start training on it, you will need to copy the course to your location for training. Thanks for watching this Waitrainer Plus menu creation video, and be sure to check out our other videos.